Oh my god, here we go. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Now 8:30, we're late. We're always fucking late. We're going to Dong Thap. It's a 4-hour drive. Try not to fall off the bike. Yeah. Helmetless today, not very advisable. But it's just a very short trip to the bridge. So yeah. See you guys in the car. It's gonna be a good day. So, finally made it. Late as usual. Poor Hugh had to wait, but now we're on our way. It's a rural area, I think we're going to. Apparently it's an area with lots of wildlife and birds, but Yang says there's nothing but trees and food. Also saw some heroin users on the bridge. Apparently the heroin users will hold you up with a needle and like threaten to stab you with the needle if you don't give them any money. But yeah, I wasn't too worried. Vietnamese services. Oh, somebody wants to move. The Chao Tan. Slightly messier, more chaotic than the last Asian services I went to in Korea. You're very confident that the toilets in here are going to be okay. If we are judging it by the mess around the food area, it's going to be very exciting going to the toilet here. Not bad.
And don't forget to get toilet paper on the way in.
You want to start with the bún bao? Wow, okay. Bún bao nung. Oh my god.
This bao was baked and not steamed, and the inside was absolutely delicious. It was all minced beef and onions and chili, and also a little bit of sweet.
A little bit sweet, salty. It's huge. That's the one with a salty egg, you said, yeah?
This was a steamed bun, and as you can see, gigantic, very delicious and steamy and soft. And inside there was a quail egg covered in sausage meat.
Quail egg. A salted egg yolk and quail egg encased in meat and then encased in a bao bun. Going off the beaten track. Wow. The small road. How many Westerners you think have come here before? No. Like what do they do? Like what do they produce or make here? Farms and fruits and things like that. Look at this barber shop. We have confirmed that I will definitely be the first half Swiss, half Kenyan person in this place. We will judge by how I get stared at and how many children cry when they see me. Kid, he was smiling and then he saw me, he just went. Huh? No, I just said, you know, show where we are. What is the name of the village?
Dong Thap.
Dong Thap? Dong Thap.
2 more subscribers.
Okay.
Kìa vô quay đồ ăn đi kìa. Để chút ăn á.
Food. I will. Yeah. Look at this. Arrival to very big Tom. No problem. No problem. This is now the communal sleeping room where 5 of us shall sleep.
Xanh là cái thùng nước máy cho nên mọi người tắm tiết kiệm cái thùng đó, còn cái thùng đỏ là cái thùng nước xong. Ok, để tối tắm luôn. Nhưng mà mọi người có đi toilet thì lấy nước trong cái thùng đỏ dội nha. Với lại đừng dùng cây xịt nha, tại vì nước là nước xong á. Rồi phổ cập tránh. Okay. Today the water problem. Water.
Yeah.
In the toilet. So the water in the blue
bucket.
Blue pocket.
Yeah.
Is clean.
Okay.
The water in the red.
Yeah.
It's from river.
Okay.
So if you go toilet, you want to flush, you use the water in the red.
Okay, then it goes down.
And then the water in the blue pocket.
Yeah.
Just for shower, but sleep safe.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. instantly eating on arrival.
Cái này đi nhậu đi, cái này để ăn trên nè. Đấy.
Bao nhiêu rồi bạn?
See the lunchtime drinks are ready too. Here we have some fish. Not a whole, just give me a little bit, not the whole one. Now that we've had one single spoon of rice or chopstick full of rice, all the uncles are going wild to making shots for everybody. Shots. We'll do a shot together. Okay. Yo.
Ăn đi, uống ngoài trời.
I've been here 5 minutes. Uncles are giving me like 7 shots. Exactly. It's going to be a very interesting day today. It is now 11 minutes after we got here and I am absolutely hammered. Got some snails now, some fish, some beef, and some egg, and some chicken bones, and some thank you. Some ốc, very tasty ốc. Chicken feet. This one, no manicure. No, there's no such thing. I've never heard of a vegetable called an umbrella. Yeah, let's have a look. Okay, open it.
Thấy không Hiếu? Nó thấy Hiếu về mặt nó táo táo nữa. Nó tự nó đẹp.
Ủa cái này cái mặt tôi dính đó hả?
Mặt mày đó.
The whole thing?
Mày trả trơn rồi.
Trả rồi.
Không phải đâu anh vui.
Bad.
Not bad.
Umbrella in English. Guava and...
Now, Yim told us she was going to get the biggest karaoke system that I'd ever seen, but this was ridiculous.
You see the speaker system that's arrived just for us, Ati, to do karaoke at home.
It was incredibly loud, and I was super impressed by how quickly they got it set up.
Wow!
As you can see, drinking, singing, and eating good food are all part of Vietnamese New Year celebrations, especially when people go back to visit their families as they are here. And the singing never stops.
Are you shaking? Are you shaking?
Mấy triệu.
By early evening, things were getting wild and out of control. Everyone was having a great time, and it's unbelievable, but there's something in the air in the villages because you just keep on enjoying, keep on eating, keep on drinking, and keep on singing.
Where you're from, what you
It's just like back in the day in Kenya. All the family in one room. People doing video call, people sleeping, people snoring. I thought we were going to go to sleep, but apparently now it's time to gamble.
Mày bật lên đi.
What?
Ui.
Thôi cho 10.020. Excuse me. I don't have a lot of money. I
Just like a few.
Cheers.
Okay. That's okay.
Not bad.
Now it's time for our morning village walk. Everyone is awake. Oh look, the water's quite high now, eh? How do you feel, baby?
So relaxed.
So relaxed. That's good. That's
The weather is so nice.
The weather's very nice, I have to say. So I don't know what the hell we drank yesterday at the end of the night, but whatever it was, it's some fucking miracle alcohol, because we woke up at 6:30 feeling absolutely fantastic. So apart from my voice gone from singing too much, yeah, we're just enjoying the day. Little doggies. Well, very, very peaceful here. Well, if you count scooters, sounds as peaceful. So I say it's quite fresh, lovely little flowers, dresses.
Saloon.
Oh, it's a saloon. I like this saloon. Wow. This is what the bun thip. Bun thip nung. Wow, looks great. The first one was bun thip nung, and this one is bun thip. No, this one is bun oop. Okay, rice paper. Oh, sorry. All right, let me just eat that because it just looks absolutely delicious. Vietnamese food is just the best food in the whole world, even better than Kenyan food. And that's saying a lot. Happy birthday to you.
Yes. Này.
Wow, look at that. That is the first thing I don't like.
Bánh chưng. Bại em miếng chưng bại.
Gánh về quê chơi.
Thank you. Come on. Time to go back. Where are we going now?
Cao Lãnh.
Khao Lan. Okay, go Khao Lan.
Join us next time when we go to Mi Phuc Tan, a restaurant that serves traditional foods such as bun seo and swamp eel. See you then.